In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can group tasks in ClickUp. So let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the project that you have tasks that you wish to group. So to group tasks, you must first make them subtasks and put them under one main task. So how can we do that? Let's choose this project, for example. Currently, I have three tasks right here. Task 1, 2, and 3. Let's say, for example, I want to group task 2 and 3 and put them as subtasks for task 1. So, the first thing that we need to do is to select these two groups, task 2 and 3, and then from here, click on More, and then click on Convert to Subtask. And then to convert it, we would select a parent task in which this would be the main task. So I would put it on task 1. And as you can see, I can now only see task 1. But once I click on it, you should see the subtask right here, 2 and 3, which is now already grouped. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.